Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we'll discuss about string slicing. In last video, talk about how to create a variable and how to store value in that variable. First, create variable. Say to check whether the variable is created. Print that. Here you can see the values printed. We talk about string and it is a combination of characters. That means if you want to fetch one value, we can do that. If we break down, it creates array or collection of characters. Now the main question is how to slice string. I write here the syntax of that. I use hash because it is used to comment the line. When we run program, that line is not executed. Here we write the index number that we want to fetch. And the second method is we write the starting index and then ending index. And the third method is to write starting index, then ending index, and then we write step. We discuss all points in that video. Now what you do if you want to print only p. I write here this index number of p, and index number always started from 0 and goes onward. Here we write the index number of p, and here you can see that p is printed. Now what if you want to print pyt? Here we write the starting index from where we start and then ending index. Here we write 3 because it is not included. It print only 0, 1 and 2 index number. Here you can see pyt is printed. And now what you do if you want to print p, t and o? Here you write starting index from where you start and then ending index, and then you write steps. Here we need to take 2 steps because after p we want to print t and then o. Here you can see p, t, o is printed. Now what happens if we write negative index number? N is printed. Why? The reason is that when we write negative index number, it starts from right side of the string. Now what happens if we write the starting index and not write ending index? In that case, the string is printed and start from starting index that we write and goes till end. Here you can see the string is printed from the index number 3 until end. And what happens if we don't write starting index and write only ending index? In that case, string is starting from 0 index and end on that index that we write. Here you can see pyt is printed. It starts from 0 index and end on index number 3. And ended index is not included. That's why it's end on second index number. What if you want to reverse the string using string slicing? Here we write the index number of the last character of the string, and that is -1. Then there is no need to write the ending index. And here we write steps. We take -1 steps because we reverse the neighbor. Here you can check the string as reversed. We can also find the length of that variable. Here you can check the length of that variable is printed. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.